Hello everyone, Sam here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this video about Magic IB alarm. So let's get started. Once you get it in your email like this, I sent out to myself. So this is where it is, right? So I'm going to show you that. Okay, you click on the email. This is where it is as a zip folder. You download this zip folder on your computer and it will pop up here. See, this is how it is, right? So open this up and then open it up and you will see a folder on the window. This is a folder, Magic IB Alarm E. Double click on that and you will see this is an ex4 file, right? This is where this is what you need to copy. So right click and left click and then right click and copy. You know how to copy anything, right, on your cursor. So copy that ex4 file, and then now you go in your platforms data folder. So click on the platform, and now you, for example, here you go on file, click on the file, then click on data folder, open data folder, and then new window will open up. And there you have to find the expert folder, which is inside this MQL4 folder. So double click on that, then you see this expert folder. Double click on that, and this is where you're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop this right here. You're gonna paste it, and since I already have it, so it's asking me to replace it. So this is how you would add this, and it will come in here. This is where it is, Magic IB Alarm without and with the cross. The one you have, and the one I'm going to send you is with the cross. It's right there, right? So you have it here. Now you might have to reopen your platform. It's better you do MT4 platform, and then come here and check if you are seeing it here in expert advisor folder right here. Okay, it probably will be closed here like that. So plus sign, click here, and then you find out if you have it, Magic IB Alarm with cross. That's what you have, right? So you already added into your platform properly. So now you have to apply it on the chart. Now this is the chart, for example, pound yen, that I want to apply this. So what I need to do is simply double click on this, and a window will pop up, and make sure that all these four boxes are checked: short and long, and auto trade, live trading, allow live trading, and allow DLL import, allow import of external expert, and then press OK, and you will have this thing here like this, Magic IB Alarm with cross, right? Make sure this face is smiling. If not, then make sure that this is enabled. Auto trading is enabled here, right? So this is all there is. And when it will be, basically this with the cross means the cross of this yellow and black line. So for short, what will happen is that, for example, this I'm going to show you for long here. Let's say for long setup would be, for example, an ideal long setup would be this one, right? Indicator is all the way down here. When in this indicator is below these horizontal two horizontal red line, and this yellow line is above the black, and the price is above this yellow line coming into this area with this indicator all the way down, it will beep. This cross means alarm with the cross means that cross of yellow and black. So it happened here. Yellow was below before, right? So this is where it also beep. It will also beep here. This is the first entry, right? And this is the second entry, and this is the third entry, you know. So this is where it's going to be. For short, it's just the opposite. For example, here, this is an ideal short setup here, right? So it yellow is below the black, and this indicates all the way up. It will beep here, it will beep here. So if you take, for example, this one, right, and then you place your SL here, you may get knocked out. Maybe for 10 to 12 pip. That's all there is, right? And then you take this one again, this entry, and then you can make more than 100 pip here. Okay, so this is how this Magic IB Alarm you add into your platform, and this is how you use it. Okay, once it start beeping, you can come and take a look, and then as soon as you have a couple of red candles for short and blue candle for long, and you open your trade for long. It's been dropping, so it's hard to find long entries. But like this one is like beautiful short setup here, beautiful short setup here, right? And the alarm will beep, and you take your entry. So I hope it will help understand how this magic alarm works. Okay, so this is it for now. Any problem whatsoever, just email me at my forexmagicwave@gmail.com, my forexmagicwave@gmail.com, and I will try to help you out. Okay, so this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.